Namaskar, this is Dr. Shweta Gupta. I am an obstetrician and gynecologist in Max Super Speciality Hospital Mohali and the director of the Quantum Clinic Mohali. Today I am going to speak on pregnancy, tips for holistic pregnancy. So my first tip starts from preconceptional period. Plan your pregnancy. It should not be accidental pregnancy. I think pregnancy is the most important project of your life, so plan it beautifully. Start planning 3 to 4 months in advance. Visit your doctor, get yourself examined, get your blood test done, consume the prescribed medicine by your doctor, and fill your mind and heart with positivity and pray and invite a beautiful, wonderful soul in your womb. Second most important tip is choose your doctor carefully. You should be very comfortable in her presence. Your body, your mind should be in proper alignment with the doctor. Third important thing is diet. We all know diet has very important role to play in pregnancy. So your diet should be balanced diet. It should be having adequate amount of proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals. Always consume fresh food. You can eat seasonal fresh fruits and vegetables. Then there is the importance of hydration. So you should be consuming plenty of fluids in pregnancy. Almost 2.5 to 3 liters of fluid should be consumed per day in pregnancy. As we all know, 2/3 of our body is made up of water. So water is very important for normal healthy pregnancy. Then comes the importance of exercise. So exercise is very important in pregnancy. You can start from walking. Brisk walking can be done. You can learn Kegel exercises from your gynecologist. Kegel exercises makes the pelvic floor muscle strong, which helps in during the labor and normal delivery. Then comes the importance of medication and vaccination. So medication should be taken on time. Whatever you are taking, prescribed by your doctor. It can be supplements like iron, calcium, multivitamins or other medication depending upon your condition in pregnancy. It should be consumed on time. Vaccine should be taken on time. Then comes the role of lifestyle modifications. So if you have a habit of consuming alcohol, it should be stopped immediately. If you are consuming cigarette or smoking, doing smoking, then it should be stopped. Smoking has so many ill effects on maternal health as well as on the fetal health. And the last tip is to reduce the stress level. Now the question is how to reduce stress. You can read good books, you can listen to good music, you can start doing meditation. Meditation has so many positive effects on your health as well as on fetal health. It settles the heart rate, it decreases the blood pressure, and there is so much gush of good chemicals inside your body when you sit in silence for some time in meditation. You can learn the techniques, how to do meditation, how to do exercise, and tips regarding diet in pregnancy from the antenatal classes. You can join antenatal classes. Here I want to mention that I am also running antenatal classes at my clinic at the name of Soulful Pregnancy or Garb Sanskar. So this program has been prepared by the knowledge, by the ancient knowledge that fetus has so much capacity to learn when inside the womb. So if you are interested, you can contact us and we will guide you further. Thank you so much.